We're going to go right leg up. Right leg full scorpion. Underneath yourself. Hand down. Hips up. We're at the top. Okay. Let's slowly roll now. On the heel. Foot down this. Left leg under switch tap into left leg side kick through. Tap. Side kick through. Left leg full scorpion. Roll down now. Okay. Right leg under switch tap. Right leg side kick through. Right leg full scorpion. Slowly at the top, open up the hips. Down. Left leg under switch tap. Left leg side kick through. Left leg full scorpion. Hips up. We're still at the top. We're not falling yet. Rotate the hips and open them up. Now we start to fall. Nearly there. Right leg under switch tap. Right leg side kick through. Right leg full scorpion. Round we come. Right, last time. Left leg on the switch tap. Left leg side kick through. Left leg full scorpion. Down slowly now. Return to static up. Down and back. Well up. Wrist release.